Okay, so I have finished both sleeves, and if you see, both of the sleeves are having approximately the same length. If you see, both of them are having this same not length, the same width. So that means it's going good. The sleeves are going good, and this is the length of the sleeve. We have reached till here. So I am taking the t-shirt. So if you see, this is where the sleeve is starting. So I will keep the starting of the sleeve, and we have reached till here. So we have reached till here, and there is this much more if you are planning for a half sleeve. So it's half more, halfway is done, half more is on its way. And if you see this side, see, this much is already done. So now the next plan is for the decrease. So what we will do is, now we will start the decrease till we reach the knuckles of the sleeve. We will decrease slowly, and after that, as you know, everyone's hands will be a little bit more fat here, so accordingly we will do the decrease. So now what we will do is, same way, I'm just checking where I finished. Okay. So this is where I finished. So I will chain 3, and skip this one, chain 3, yarn over, and do the double crochet here, and then for the next chain we will not do this chain 1. Instead we will directly do a double crochet into the next double crochet on top of the next double crochet. So that's a decrease here. So one decrease here, yeah, and then chain 1, then skip one chain and do double crochet. So this is one decrease. We have done one decrease here. Now what we will do is, for the easiness of everyone, I am going to put a marker on exactly the opposite side of this. That means on both sides we will do the decrease. So one decrease here we have already done. So I will put a marker here where we will do the next decrease, which is again one decrease. So I have kept the marker. Mark exactly. You can count and mark, or you can just measure it like this and then mark. So I just measured and marked. So we will continue the same way. We will chain 1, yarn over, skip one chain, go to the next one, go on top of the next double crochet, and then do one double crochet, chain 1, skip one chain, go on top of the next double crochet, Same way we will continue till we reach the marker. I will show once I reach the marker. Okay, so I reached the marker. So here is the marker. We will just keep the marker down, and then here we will just yarn over, and we will skip this chain. We will not do a chain 1 here. Instead we will just yarn over and skip this chain and go to the next double crochet and do 1 double crochet. So that is again 1 decrease. Now we will chain 1, same way, skip 1 chain and do double crochet and finish this row. So this is 1 decrease. So let me finish the row and then I will explain how to do the next row. Okay, so this row is over. We will finish this with a slip stitch to the first chain. Now we will chain 3 and do 1 double crochet. So the next 2 rows okay, so once first when we are doing this here, that's what I was checking now. This was our decrease for the last one. So once we do the chain 3, we will not do here, we will do here. That's what I was checking. And then chain 1 and then do on top of the next double crochet and chain 1, do on top of the next double crochet. So in this one there is no decrease, we will just follow the same pattern and we will do chain 1, skip 1 chain and do 1 double crochet. So once I finish 2 rows, I will show how it looks.